Shape your text into Cap's iconic shield with a circular text effect in Canva. Start by adding your text. I'll type, "Courage in every step." Change the font to Sunborn. And duplicate it to form a full circle. Next, we'll add the curve effect. Go to Effects, then under the Shape section, select Curve. Adjust the slider to control the curve. Positive values curve downward, negative values curve upward. If it doesn't create perfect spacing, you can use decimal numbers. Duplicate the text and scale it down. Repeat this process 2 more times for a layered effect. Now let's give the text a bold Captain America look. First, select the text, go to Effects, and under the Style section, choose Background to highlight the text. Set the color to red and adjust the spread to 22. Second text. It already has a white background, but let's add a highlight in case you want to change the overall background color. Go to Effects again, select Background. Adjust the spread to your liking, and set the color to white. Then change the text color to gray. This blends nicely with the white. Third text. Apply the same styling as the first one. Change the color to red. Last, highlight the text with a blue background. And change the text color to light blue for that classic Captain America vibe. Finally, add a star in the middle to complete the look. Once done, download the design as a PNG with a transparent background. Then upload it back into Canva. Next, we'll change the angle of the design. To do that, go to Apps and search for Reshape. Choose Distort. Then adjust the points to achieve your ideal angle. That's all. Give it a try and see what you can create. Thanks for watching.